Now I'm going to show you how to make what I call the bowl cascade, and for this you need some round object like the cup. You just trace around the bottom of it on a piece of cardstock, and then you also need a quarter for tracing the hole in the center. That's where the marble is going to fall through. Just trace around the quarter. And then you cut out the center. It's actually easier to cut out the whole circle first. I kind of did it backwards here. It's going to look a little rough when it's done. In this case, I usually do a better job than this, but you can always trim that out a little bit. And then cut out the circle here, the large circle. Okay, then you just cut a slit to the center, and you're going to glue it together to form this very, very shallow bowl. You just slide one end of the slit over the other. That's what I'm doing now. The bowl has to be shallow enough so that the marble will always fall to the center hole no matter where it is in the bowl, but not too steep, not too deep a bowl, because the marble will just roll straight into the center. Now this is a wall that's going to go underneath the hole, and it will be at the top of a ramp that will lead out from under the hole. And I just curl it around a pen. Now, when the bowl is placed into the cascade, you can use almost any method for gluing it into place, as long as you have enough space for the marble to fall through and roll down the ramp. If it's too close to the floor of the ramp underneath it, the marble will get stuck. Now, I use that's a cardstock and paper wall that's going to go around the entire bowl. That's just one segment, and then I will have the ramp at an angle so the marble will roll around the bowl. Now you can see that corner right there was in the way of the marble, so I just cut that corner off so that the marble can roll around the bowl without hitting that cascade part right there. Just notice that the cascade will be entering at that angle, so the marble will roll around like that. And that's what a finished one looks like.